Start 2025 right. Build passive income to quit your 9 to 5. Welcome to Gen X Side Hustler. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and smash that like button if you find this information helpful. The new year is almost here. 2025 is your chance to make a change, a real change. If you've ever dreamed of breaking free from the daily grind, working for yourself, or finally having the time and freedom to do what you love, this is the year to make it happen. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to start building passive income streams that could help you leave your 9 to 5 behind. Let's be real. Working a 9 to 5 barely covers the cost of living for many of us. Add in inflation, rising expenses, and the fact that most people feel stuck trading their time for money, and it's no wonder so many are looking for alternatives. The good news? 2025 is full of opportunities thanks to technology, online platforms, and the growing demand for digital products and services. There's never been a better time to start building a passive income stream that works for you, even while you sleep. Passive income is money you earn without constant effort. Unlike a typical job where you trade hours for pay, passive income works in the background, giving you freedom to focus on what really matters: your family, your health, and your passions. You might be thinking, that sounds great, but how do I actually make it happen? That's where I come in. I've created an easy-to-follow guide featuring 10 powerful passive income ideas you can start today. From affiliate marketing to dropshipping, and even turning your creative skills into digital products. It's all there, step by step. Let me give you a sneak peek of what's inside the guide. Here are 3 passive income ideas you can start this month. Affiliate marketing: partner with companies and earn commissions by promoting their products. Digital products: sell ebooks, courses, or printables online. YouTube automation: use trending topics to create content that works for you 24/7. And that's just the beginning. Ready to take the first step? Don't wait until next month or next year. Start now. Download my ebook where I break down the exact steps you need to get started. The link is in the description below. 2025 is here, and it's time to start living life on your terms. Imagine where you could be this time next year, working on your own schedule, spending more time with loved ones, and making money while you sleep. Let's make it happen together. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications because I'll be sharing more tips and strategies to help you build the life you deserve. I'll see you in the next video.